In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Steam gift cards and wallet codes. Whether you just receive a physical card or a digital code, the process is quick and secure once you know where to click. Make sure you're already signed into the Steam account you want to add funds to, because once a code is redeemed, it can't be moved to another account. Start by opening Steam on your computer. In the top right corner of the window, you'll see your username. Click that to open a small menu, and choose Account Details. This is the central place where you manage purchases, payment methods, and your Steam wallet balance. If you're using a web browser instead of the desktop app, the steps are the same after you log in. On the Account Details page, look for the section that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click it. This takes you to the area where you can add money directly or redeem a code. Next, select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This opens a field where you can enter the code exactly as it appears. Now, carefully type in your gift card or wallet code. These codes are typically a mix of letters and numbers, sometimes grouped with dashes. Don't worry about letter case, but do make sure each character is correct. If your code came from a physical card, gently scratch to reveal it and check for smudges or similar-looking characters like 0 and the letter O. Never share your code publicly, treat it like cash. When you're confident it's correct, click Continue. Steam will verify the code. If everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation message and your Steam wallet balance will update right away. If you run into an error, double-check for typos, confirm you're logged into the right account, and make sure the card's region matches your account's currency, as region-locked cards can't be redeemed across different storefronts. Once the funds are added, you're ready to use them at checkout on games, downloadable content, in-game items, or software that accepts Steam wallet funds. The wallet will be applied automatically when you make a purchase, and you can always view your new balance back on the Account Details page. It's a great way to control spending, gift credit safely, or keep your payment information private. That's it. Thanks for watching.